Router powered on, disconnected, but your network name doesn't appear on your phone or laptop. That usually means the Wi Fi broadcast hasn't started properly. With the Starlink, this can happen during setup, after a restart, or when the router isn't fully initialized. You might expect the Wi Fi name to show instantly, but sometimes it takes time to come online. In other cases, the router may not be broadcasting due to a power issue, cable problem, or incomplete setup. There are also situations where the network exists, but your device doesn't refresh the list. Instead of assuming something is wrong with the system, these are the steps you can try to fix this and make your Wi Fi network appear. 1. Check that all Starlink cables are securely connected. 2. Restart the Starlink router by unplugging it for a minute. 3. Plug it back in and wait for full startup. 4. Open Wi Fi settings on your device and refresh the network list. 5. Move closer to the router to ensure signal detection. 6. Use the Starlink app to confirm setup and network status.